Well, hello all my foodie friends and welcome back to In the Kitchen with Karen. Now I know this scene here probably looks a little bit different. Unfortunately, my cameraman, aka my husband Chris, has to work for the next 7 days, 12 hours a day, so I don't have anyone to film me cooking. So you're stuck with me, with my iPhone. And I am just so bad at filming and I couldn't do it without him. So for this little video, I'm just using my iPhone. So today I got a challenge from another cooking channel called Mama Ray Ray in the Kitchen. She's an amazing cooking channel. I would highly encourage you to check her out. And she gave me a cooking challenge, and it's called the Friendship Cake / Cupcake Cooking Challenge. It's super simple. All it is a 2-ingredient cake. That's right, 2 ingredients, cake mix and soda pop. And you can use any flavor soda you like or any flavor cake you like. Today, I'm gonna be using a lemon cake and a lime soda to make a lemon lime cake, but you can use chocolate and Coke or vanilla and 7-Up. You can use whatever flavor you want. Isn't that cool? I'm surprised I'd never heard of this before, but you can't get much simpler than that. So I'm just gonna be lazy and I'm gonna sit here at my kitchen table and I'm gonna whip it up for you. So let's get started. Okay guys, so let's get started. So today I'm gonna be using a box of lemon supreme cake mix. Just gonna dump that in the bowl. Okay guys, I'm filming with one hand. This is hard. Get in there. Okay, and now I'm using this Yarritos lime soda, and you're supposed to use 12 ounces. So I'm just dumping it in there. And now you don't even need a mixer for this either. You can just stir it with a spoon. So you guys, I have been having so much fun making these videos for you. I hope you're enjoying them. Or I should say, we have been having fun making these videos because I honestly could not do it without my husband. He does all the editing and the filming and the lighting. I honestly had no idea how complicated it was to make a cooking video. Sometimes it takes him 4 or 5 hours to edit a 10-minute video. But also he likes to add in little special effects and stuff. So, you know, that's going to take longer than if you're just, you know, shooting it the regular way. But I think he does such a good job. Okay. So this looks like it's stirred up pretty well. It's kind of looks sort of bubbly. But I guess that's, you know, from using the soda. So then I'm gonna set that aside. And I decided to do a cake instead of cupcakes. So this is a non-stick pan, but I'm still gonna go ahead and spray it because you know how that goes. So I like to use this baking spray because it has flour and the oil mixed together. So instead of having to use butter and flour to grease it, it already has it in there. Okay, guys. Now this is going to be the tricky part. I'm going to try to put it in here with one hand. Okay, that's close enough. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is a disaster. Now, I never said this was going to be a professional video. Remember in the beginning, I said it wasn't going to be. But that's okay. We will just fix it right up. And by the time it's done, no one will know what a mess I made. Okay, so I'll just clean that up a little bit more in the kitchen. And then you're supposed to bake it at 350 for just whatever the time on the package says. I think it's 30 minutes, but I'll have to check. So I'm gonna put this in the oven and then I will be back. Okay guys, I'm back. So this cake looks pretty yummy. It was in the oven for about 30 minutes at 350 and it's got a chance to cool. So I thought it would be fun to decorate it with a little bit of lemon glaze. So I just took some powdered sugar and some fresh lemon juice and I just mixed that up, and so I'm just gonna drizzle it over the top. It's really nice and tangy, so I think it's gonna go great with the lemon lime cake. And just for fun, I'm just gonna put a few cute little flower sprinkles on top. Okay, you guys, I did it. The 2-ingredient cake challenge. So Mama Ray, I hope you're proud of me. Okay, guys, thanks for putting up with this crazy video today. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you in the kitchen next time. Bye, everybody. You guys, I almost forgot the most important part. I need to try it. So here it is. It looks good. Now let's give it a taste. I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. It's really good. It's very light. It's very lemony or limey. I'm not sure if it's from the lemon cake mix or the lime soda, but it's really good, you guys. And it could not have been easier. So I hope you guys are gonna give this a try. We'll see you guys later. Bye.